everyone. This is a tutorial on how to use the I and B tag in HTML. So let's get started. So to start, you need to see what I have done here. All I have done is I have just made a paragraph here, and this is the paragraph we are going to be testing with today. So we are going to start with the I tag. So I stands for italic. So it basically makes the text italic. So the way to use this is by opening the I tag. So I want to give you an example. You can see the first word here. All I want is the first word to be in italics. So I just need to open the I tag here and close it exactly at the end of my first word. So as you can see here, when we live test this, the very first word is actually written in italic. Now this can also be changed, so I can just cut this out of here and just paste it at the very end of my paragraph. So my whole paragraph is going to be in italic. So this is what it will look like. So let's move on to our second tag for today, which is known as the B tag. Now the B tag stands for bold. So it's exactly same as the I tag, except instead of making things italic, it makes them bold. So it's just the same, but you need to change I to B. So the I should be changed to B. Now as you can see that the whole paragraph has become bold. So I can just select this one also, of course, and just select that I want the very first word here, and yes. So you can see that only the first word is in bold. Now it doesn't need to be that only the B tag or the I tag can be only at the start of the paragraph. So I can start it maybe I can start it here. I can start it from the second word, and I'll just remove this then. Yes. So I can just keep the ending in somewhere like this. So maybe where should I keep the ending? So I can keep the ending maybe at the end of this full stop here. So this is what it will look like. Only this part is going to be highlighted. So thank you. That's it for today.